What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an online voting form in Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google Drive by just simply typing Google Drive on your Google or any other browser search bar, or you can even type drive.google.com. After typing, you will be welcome to the homepage of Google Drive. Now from here on the left side, you can see the option of new. Click on this new option and then go to Google Forms. After coming to Google Forms, write the name of your form. You can write the name from here or here, whichever you like. I'll just name it as voting form. And after writing the name, it will update the voting form name from here. And then you can write the description if you want. But from here, let's say I will write a question. As you can see, I have written a question and then I will write the options. And if you want to add another options, click on add another options. And then if you want to add more options, you can add more options. After that, when you are done, just toggle this to enable required question. And then from here, you can preview your voting form. Make sure to indicate it as another question or to indicate it as a required questions. And after that, when you are done, just simply click on publish and go with anyone with the link and then hit publish. After that, you can see the copy responder link. Here is the link. You can just simply copy and paste it wherever you want to send this voting form. So this is how you can create an online voting form in Google Forms. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.